fellow vapers, welcome back to the FREETON vaping world. Today we are unboxing the robust pod kit 16000, a device that has everything you need for a satisfying vape and promises to take your vaping experience to the next level. Now let's take a closer look at what makes the robust pod kit 60000 so unique. Let's start with the packaging. When you first look at the box, you'll notice a clean image of the device itself. The packaging clearly highlights key features like 16,000 puffs, dual modes, and the replaceable pre-filled pod. On the side, you'll find additional details about the dual mesh and screen display, while safety warnings are neatly placed on the front and back of the box. The sleek design of the packaging gives you clear signs of the high-quality device inside. Opening the box is where the fun begins. Inside, you'll find the robust pod kit 16000, including the pre-filled pod and battery, all set and ready to go. No complex steps, just a quick and easy setup that's perfect for everyone who loves hassle-free vaping. The device is crafted from premium aluminum alloy, giving it a durable yet lightweight feel. The timeless black finish has a subtle texture that not only looks elegant, but also feels premium in your hand. It's truly a joy to hold and vape with. One of the key highlights of this pod kit is its massive pre-filled pod capacity. With 16,000 puffs, you can enjoy an extended vaping experience without needing to constantly swap out pods. This is perfect for those who prefer uninterrupted vaping throughout the day. Another feature that enhances your vaping experience is the smart screen display, which gives you real-time updates on your battery life and current power mode, so you are always in control. Speaking of power modes, the robust pod kit 16000 comes with two different vaping modes, turbo mode and normal mode. Whether you are looking for a strong powerful hit or a smooth mellow session, switching between these two modes is effortless and ensures the perfect vape every time. Moreover, the button also serves as a manual lock switch, activated by pressing it 5 times, ensuring your vape secure and peace of mind wherever you go. Robust pod kit 16000 has 10 flavors: cherry ice, blue Razz ice, pineapple ice, strawberry watermelon, watermelon bubblegum, cool mint, peach ice, triple mango, double apple, triple berry ice. As for the specifications, the dual mesh coils packed inside the device are designed with MDLI technology, which provides ultra-fast heating and consistent flavor delivery. Whether you are taking your first puff or your last, the flavor is rich and satisfying from start to finish. In terms of battery life, the robust pod kit 16000 is powered by a 950 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you long-lasting power for all-day vaping. So if you are looking for a reliable, stylish, and powerful pod kit that delivers an amazing vaping experience, the robust pod kit 16000 is the perfect choice. If you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click the link below to find out more. Also, make sure to subscribe for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy FREETON.